that video I have clearly specified that from last 2 years I am shaving my legs and hands. Basically I do shave my hands very often, but legs definitely after say every 21 days I shave my legs. So right now I just want to show you the growth of my leg, the hair of my leg. See, it is like I have shaved before 21 days. This is the growth after 21 days. Now you all can see I have very sparse hair. The growth of the hair is not too much. Okay, so we are just starting with the video. Before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And once you hit that bell icon, you won't be missing out about my any uploads, and you will be getting the notifications from YouTube on time to time. And it is absolutely free. Alright, now before shaving my leg, first step what I would like to do is exfoliation. That is, I use this scrub. Of course you can do any handmade scrub or maybe any DIY scrub, whichever scrubs is available to you, you can use that. But I prefer, right now I am having this, so I am using this. I am going to buy few other body scrubs as well. I am planning to buy, but since keeping the situation right now in mind, I am not ordering anything from Nykaa till now. Okay, the scrub which I am using today is the Bodyco chocolate coffee scrub. Okay, this is my favorite scrub for body. Okay, I have already scrubbed my legs with this. You can just see the legs are yet wet. Okay, still wet. Still I'll wet more. Okay, after wetting the legs, keep it for 2 minutes like this only, so that the hair becomes very soft. Okay, when you exfoliate your legs, keep in mind you have to go in the circular motion. Keep little bit of scrub, take little bit of scrub and go it in a circular motion. Okay, then wash it off with normal water. Now what I like to do, I have already done the scrubbing part as I told you, and I forgot to actually shoot. I'm so sorry for that. But now let's move with the second step, that is the applying the gel. I use this Venus Satin Care Gel. It is sensitive skin gel, and this came in this box. I've already shown you this box in my that video. You can check that video as I told you. So this came in the box. What I do is I take little bit of gel, just apply all over my leg. See, you can see it makes a foamy texture on your legs, so you won't be like you won't hurt your legs, like you won't cut your legs, I mean to say. Okay, keep a mug of water also with you, so if you want to clean your hand or if you want to clean your razor also, you can definitely do that. And I spread the gel properly on my leg, like whatever area you want to shave, just spread it properly. Then what I do is I clean my hands with plain water. Okay, then what I do is I take the razor. This is the razor. I just wet it little bit with the plain water. Keep a mug also of the water with you. Okay, handy. Then the direction of the hair is downward. So what I'll do, I'll start shaving from downward to upward. See, I'll just show you 2-3 strokes. This is the first. Clean the razor possibly with the plain water. Again take another stroke. If you do not like to take big strokes, because I am now doing it from last 2 years, so I am habituated of taking long strokes. If you want, you can take small strokes also, no problem in that, but keep in mind you don't leave any space between the strokes, otherwise the hair will be as it is. You won't be like cleaning your hair. Okay, I'll just show you few more strokes, then I'll show you the after effect. Okay, see, whatever marks you are seeing right now, watching, whatever marks are visible right now on my legs, it is because of my accident. I met road accidents few times because I drive scooty, so I have already met accidents lot of times. So these are basically marks of that. These are not the marks of the razor or anything. Okay, keep in mind. See, you all can see. See, you all can see this, right? Okay, see, Now what I'll do is, I'll just pause the video, I'll do the second leg also, and I'll show you the after effect, after what is the visibility of the hairs on my leg. Okay, after I'll do both the legs, I'll come back again. Alright, now just wait for few seconds. See, I've already shaved my one leg. Now I've started shaving my other leg also. I have done this much stroke. I just thought of shooting for 2 minutes. See, you can see like this. If you cannot take big strokes, take small strokes, no problem, but see to it you don't leave any space between your strokes. Okay, otherwise you tend to leave some hair also. If at all it happens, no need to worry. After washing your hair, if you see any, after washing your leg, if you see any hair, you can again come back with the razor and you can do it, like no problem in that. See, I've already shaved my both the legs. Now what I'll do is, I'll just go to the washroom, I'll just clean both of my legs, and I'll just show you the result. Alright, now you all can see both of my leg. See, I've just zoomed you in. See, this is the after effect of shaving the leg. Now there are few things which you need to keep in your mind. First, whenever you complete your shaving, just wash this razor very carefully. Okay, you have to wash the razor with cold water very carefully. Okay, and after washing it, what you can do is just keep it for drying. Keep it on a dry cloth for drying it. Okay, I have not yet washed it. See, you can see there is a cream. Okay, I'll show you, there are hair. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll just wash it properly and I'll keep it on a dry cloth for drying. Do not keep this razor just as it is. If you will keep this razor will get spoiled. It may like go bad easily and very soon. Okay, so please keep in mind, you have to wash this very properly and very carefully. Okay, first thing. Second thing, as soon as you complete your shaving, you apply any good moisturizer, a thick layer of moisturizer on your leg, or maybe any aloe vera gel. What I prefer is applying a good quantity of aloe vera gel. Okay, I'll just show you how I apply aloe vera gel. See, this is the aloe vera gel which I will be applying on my leg. This is from the Face Shop, Jeju Aloe 99% gel. Okay, so this comes in a, you must have seen this, it comes in a jar like this. Okay, it's a big jar. I got this from Nykaa. It is easily available on mostly on all online websites. If you want, I can link this product also on the description box. What I do is, I take a generous quantity and I just massage it on my leg. You all can see the finishing, and you all can, if you cannot touch, but I can feel it is very soft and smooth, like as if I have done the waxing. Okay, there is no difference between waxing and shaving, and it is at the fraction of cost, first thing. Secondly, at your own convenient time. Thirdly, you do not have to go outside for this. That is, it is like you can save your time also, and you can do whenever you want. See, I have already applied aloe vera gel on my both legs. See, now you all can see, right? So this step is very important, that is applying aloe vera gel on the shaving area. Alright, now there are few points as I already told you. Keep in mind, first exfoliate your body, whichever part you want to shave, exfoliate it properly. Secondly, use proper razor. If you feel the blade is not proper, that is the cartridge is not proper, change it immediately. Okay. Third thing, after shaving, just wash your legs thoroughly, properly with normal water, and apply a good thick layer of either moisturizer or maybe this kind of gel. These are the 3 steps which I follow, and always keep in mind the distance, that is the time gap between the shaving. Do not shave unless and otherwise. If it is not required, do not shave. If you require, if you feel the growth is there, proper growth is there, then shave. At least keep a distance of minimum 7 days between the shaving time. That is, if I have shaved today, at least after 7 days, that is the next Thursday, I can shave. That is what I feel. If you feel your hair growth is too much and you want to shave, it is all up to you. You decide yourself. But what I do is I shave after every 21 days. That is what my routine is, and I was just trying to show you my shaving routine. Okay, so this is the way I shave my hands as well. Today I am not showing you hands because I do not have much growth on my hand. You can see I do not have any growth right now on my hand, so I am not going to shave my hand. But this is the way how I would like to shave my leg. I think that is all for this video. If you like the content, then please share this video with your friends and family. Okay, and do subscribe to my channel as I told you earlier. Comment down below whichever video request you have in your mind. Just comment down below. I'll read the comments and definitely I'll reply to that. And if possible, share this video also with your friends and family. There are a lot of other videos up on my channel. You can go to my channel and you can watch other videos. There are a lot fun exciting videos also there. You can watch any of the video whichever you